Unclean toothbrushes can collect millions of bacteria that enter the mouth, affecting gums, teeth, and overall oral health. Bacteria from dirty toothbrushes damage gums, create cavities, cause bad breath, and increase oral infections. Prevent this by replacing toothbrushes regularly and keeping them dry and clean. This old pillow harbors a hidden danger: dust mites. Under the microscope, they crawl through fibers, triggering allergies and breathing issues. Innocent comfort or a silent threat? Old pillows harbor bacteria that can trigger allergies, leading to a blocked nose, coughing, and breathing problems. Prevent this by washing pillow covers regularly and replacing pillows frequently. This is a kitchen sponge. Under the microscope, its wet surface is teeming with dangerous bacteria colonies ready to spread germs. These slimy texts show how a dirty sponge can contaminate everything it touches. Contaminated kitchen sponges harbor dangerous bacteria, spreading germs to stomach infections, digestive illness, and severe food poisoning. Prevent this by disinfecting or replacing sponges regularly.
Keyboards harbor hidden dangers. Microscopic analysis reveals bacteria and dead skin thriving in the ground between keys.
Keyboards harbor invisible bacteria, transferring to hands with every touch. From hands, clean keyboards daily and practice hand hygiene to prevent this. Paper money passes through countless hands, carrying microbes. Look closer. Under the microscope, bacteria colonies thrive in the grime, a hidden ecosystem of germs. Money can carry microbes from countless hands. These bacteria spread from cash to hands, then to food. Once inside, they can cause serious infections. Always wash your hands thoroughly after handling cash. This close-up reveals a dirty bottle cap, its surface teeming with bacteria. Such contamination can cause serious health risks from mixes. This highlights the importance of hygiene in preventing the spread of harmful microbes. Contaminated bottle caps can introduce harmful bacteria into your water, leading to digestive problems. To prevent this, always clean your bottle caps thoroughly and avoid sharing bottles.
This bedsheet harbors a hidden world of microorganisms. Sweat and skin cells feed bacteria and mites, which multiply in the dark, over a microscopic ecosystem right where you sleep.
Dirty bed sheets harbor bacteria and dust mites that spread to your skin during sleep, causing allergies, itching, and acne. Prevent this by washing your sheets frequently in hot water. Human skin, a vast living landscape. Under the microscope, bacteria colonies thrive, moving from microbes characteristics in the ecosystem. Excess oil and bacteria on skin can cause pimples, irritation, and infections. Prevention includes proper skincare and hygiene. This wet soap bar harbors unseen bacteria and residue. A closer look reveals the microscopic world within, bacteria and grime trapped in the soap's matrix. Improperly stored soap bars can collect microbes, becoming a hidden source of germs. When used to prevent this, store soap in a dry, draining area and practice good hygiene. This simple step can make a big difference.
Within the fibers of these sneakers, a hidden world thrives. Fungal spores and bacteria multiply, releasing foul odors. This microscopic horror is the source of that stench.
Inside dirty sneakers, bacteria and fungus thrive in the sweat and grime. These organisms can cause odor and serious infections, like athlete's foot. To prevent this, dry your shoes thoroughly and clean them regularly. In the world of luxury cosmetics, beauty hides a darker secret. Beneath the surface, microscopic horrors lurk. Bacteria thrive, turn microscopic invasion of the pristine. Shared cosmetics like lipstick may spread harmful bacteria, causing infections and skin irritation. Prevention is simple. Avoid sharing makeup to protect your health.
This is the toilet seat, a breeding ground for bacteria. Microscopic colonies spread rapidly, turning into toxic hazards. Without proper hygiene, these unseen dangers can lead to serious illness.
Harmful bacteria from unclean toilet seats can spread to your hands, increasing your risk of infection. Regularly sanitize surfaces and wash your hands to prevent the spread of germs. Inside your earbuds, a hidden world thrives. These bacteria build up, leading to easily transfer, causing issues like swimmer's ear. Regular cleaning is essential. Dirty earbuds introduce bacteria into the ear canal, mixing with wax to cause swelling and irritation. Prevent infections by cleaning your earbuds regularly with alcohol wipes. These dirty coins harbor a hidden world of contamination. Under extreme magnification, microbes cling to visible threat on everyday surfaces demands our attention. Coins carry germs that spread through touch. Prevention includes hand washing after handling coins. Under the microscope, the coffee mug's rim reveals a hazardous layer of bacteria and saliva particles. This contamination poses significant health risks if not properly sanitized. The coffee mug bacteria effect. As you drink, bacteria are harmful bacteria and travel to your stomach, causing irritation and infection. Proper cleaning prevents this. Wash mugs thoroughly with hot, soapy water.
Your gaming controller, a glowing gateway to another world. But beneath the surface, skin oils and bacteria thrive in the filth of your touch. The unseen enemy.
Dirty controllers are a breeding ground for bacteria. Sweat from your hands can transfer bacteria to your skin and face. Disinfect your controller regularly to stay healthy.
Observe the makeup brush, a symbol of beauty. But under the microscope, a darker truth is revealed. Kate, this is the microscopic world of contamination.
Dirty makeup brushes can trigger acne and irritation. Regularly washing your brushes is essential. To prevent breakouts, wash your brushes weekly with a gentle cleanser.
This old towel is filled with moisture, a perfect breeding ground for microbes. Under the microscope, we see fungus and bacteria thriving in knit fibers. They multiply rapidly, spreading through the moisture.
Moist towels can harbor dangerous bacteria and fungi, spreading infections onto your skin. To prevent this, always dry towels properly and wash them frequently. Under the microscope, the human tongue reveals a hidden world of bacteria. These microbes thrive in the moist crevices and papillae, forming complex colonies that can impact oral health. Poor tongue hygiene allows bacteria to multiply, causing oral infections and bad breath. Daily brushing removes bacteria, preventing gum disease and bad breath. The steering wheel, a nexus of contamination. Oils and microbes form a toxic film. Under the microscope, bacterial colonies of risk. Steering wheels collect dangerous microbes that can cause illness. When you touch your face, bacteria transfer, causing irritation. Regular cleaning prevents the spread of these harmful germs. In this frozen cube, microscopic impurities are trapped within the crystalline structure, revealing the hidden contaminants preserved by the ice. Contaminated ice cubes can trap bacteria, which then enter the stomach through drinking water. This can lead to infections and digestive illness. Prevention includes using clean, filtered water. Human nail, a seemingly inert shield yet a thriving ecosystem for bacteria and fungi. Under magnification, its surface reveals a hidden world of microbial life open for dominance. Germs hidden under dirty nails can spread infections and stomach illness. Trimming and cleaning nails regularly prevents the spread of harmful bacteria.
Under the microscope, a single strand of human hair becomes a vast landscape. Here, bacteria feed on scalp oil, a natural need for complex ecosystem.
Poor scalp hygiene may lead to dandruff, irritation, fungal infections, and hair damage. Prevention includes regular hair washing.
A phone screen covered in greasy fingerprints. Under the microscope, we see colonies of harmful bacteria. These microbes crawl across the surface, transferred from hands in dirty environments. This is a fingerprint, magnified to reveal its intricate ridges. These ridges are coated in oils and teeming with microorganisms. Every touch transfers these germs, spreading them to surface how germs spread.